Hello everybody, we're getting ready to start 3.3 of SAT Math Level 1. For worksheets, homework sheets, quizzes, tests, note-taking sheets, contact me here and I can set you up with that. If you want solution PowerPoints or just PowerPoints and video, I can set you up with that as well. 3.3 equations with more than one variable. We got 20 points here that go into your notebook. Overview of this section here. An equation that has more than one letter can have many different numerical solutions. For example, in this equation here, x plus y equals 8 is if x equals 1 then y equals 7. If x equals 2 then y equals 6. Since the value of y depends on the value of x and x may be any real number, the equation has infinitely many solutions. The SAT may include questions that ask you to find the value of an expression as a multiple of one side of an equation. For example, we have these two equations here and 2x plus y, so we can factor out a 2, and then 2 times 9 equals 18. Solve for one letter in terms of the other letters for an equation. For example, here we can solve for x equals 8 minus y. Working with an equation and two unknowns, some SAT questions can be answered by multiplying or dividing an equation by a suitable. So for example here, if 3x plus 3y equals 12, what is the value of x plus y minus 6? So solve the equation by dividing through by 3. X plus y equals 4. And then we set up a system here of equations. And we come up with equals negative 2 here. Move this over here. If t over s equals 3 over 4, what is the value of 3s over 4t? Since t over s equals 3 over 4, 3s equals 4t, 3s over 4t equals 1. If x plus 5 equals t, then 2x plus 9 equals what? Here are our solutions here. Since the coefficient, multiply the given equation by 2, so you multiply through by 2. Comparing the left side of this with that, suggests you can subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Like here, t minus 1 here, or this one down here, 2t minus 1. So 2x plus 9 equals 1, so this will be your right choice here for that series. You're always like systems of equations. You're always trying to solve something in terms of something else. Here we have this where x cannot equal 1 and y cannot equal 2. What is y in terms of x? It's always something in terms of something else, usually. Then here are our possibilities here. Write the original. We get rid of or rather we cross multiply here. Then we come up with this. Then we solve in terms of y. 4y equals that, divided through by 4, we get y equals 2x plus 4. Or rather, yeah, 2x plus 4, which would be this here, actually. So it would be B right here for that one. So 3 times r plus s, r plus 2s equals r plus s. And s cannot equal 0. What is the value of r over s? So here are our choices here. Removing parentheses, multiplying through. The correct choice is A here, negative 5 over 2. So we move to isolate our r here. R over s. So that was lesson 3.3, and I went through it really fast to give you an idea, a preview of it. There is a homework sheet that goes with this lesson, and it is in PowerPoint or video that you can order up here. And if you need online tutoring, I can provide that as well. So contact me. Thank you.